car going somewhere and I'm not telling you where me go. I joke. But the fact that when I see this video, obviously, me carry no along. It's an exciting little journey, and I have to go in a title. Me not put it in a title because me no want to figure it out. And I have to go watch the video to the end. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. Let's go to the show. Alright, be up on myself, one big Irish family, enough respect, you don't know. Yeah. So when we reach, check-in bags in. Cool. Yes, I actually go to Harvard Crossroads more often. This is my first time actually trying to get a 22 to go downtown. What is it? 2 hours. 2 hours. And we're here waiting to get a bus.
2 hours?
It's probably more than 2 hours.
We came here from 10 o'clock.
Oh my gosh.
We came here from 10 o'clock.
So probably it's an hour and a half for me.
Yeah.
2 hours for you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's ridiculous.
10 o'clock.
And there's no bus in sight. Like absolutely none. So we're forced to either take the coaster buses or the taxis.
So the coaster buses go down to downtown?
Yeah.
Where
Sometimes they come along here and they call out and say, oh, downtown. So I guess if one comes, probably people will take them because there's no JUTCs.
Yeah, because the guy said that they're parked across the road. I can't. Because 1 minute the guy said that they park all the way down there. Then next minute one person said they park all the road.
Look, they don't really have a sense. They probably just drive round and looking for passengers. Welcome to Jamaica.
You got a timetable?
Just after much hours. My God. Luckily you're able to buy snacks on the bus because reach, you know, I can smell the food from reach. For them soup, I feel them food myself. Now put it in the camera, man. Morning. I am here to pick up. You accept card, right? You accept? No? Alright, we'll get the money and come back.
whole of downtown, you see the whole of downtown
So
pretty.
downtown pretty man. And the painting is really good. Really, really good. It's exceptional.
Especially this street, water lane. I think these are the people who
do the painting
do the painting.
from 2021.
Yeah, right. Tullow, Mackenzie, Williams, Robinson, Field.
Nice man, nice. So I'm showing Waa Gwaan in here. So first we're gonna drink this hot. Look at that one, thin. Hot one. Every day they have a different soup on the menu. Today is chicken. Soup done. It's nice. It's real homemade, like when my granny makes soup. Yeah man, nothing missing. Just never have no meat, but it tastes good, it's flavorful. It's complimentary. So for complimentary, that expects less quality, but it's good. We're gonna look at the food. Soon come. So show me the food.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thought.
Hi, just going right there. Thanks. It's open? Oh. Look how pretty these are. So pretty. Nice little chill spots. Down the food and the spots to show now. Then you have the deck and stuff over on the other side. So Gloria's deck and stuff over there. You can have your lunch there. It's nice. I didn't remember to do the review on the smoothie. I got twisted. It's supposed to be fruity. It was fruity, but I didn't expect it to have so much ice. Oh God, I didn't look. Hey, some bonina. The flavor wasn't bad, but yeah, wasn't all that impressed per se because I was expecting a different thing. My God. I look tired. The sun burned me. Wow. Waiting for my guest made me so hungry. And yes, you will see who it is if you keep watching. So let's go get some pizza. I should try one of the pizza. I don't think we want plant pizza. This is creative, but I'm gonna try jerk chicken and pineapple, teriyaki chicken, Hawaiian, margarita, and teriyaki fried fish. Gelato. Oh, okay. Jackfruit. What? Nice. Right amount of spice, right amount of cheese, not tough, nice. And the stint of pineapple. There, I eat ice cream.
Yo, it's me, one and only Chris Mo from Mixing with the Muffins.
Mixing with the Muffins.
Anywhere them there, I find them good people. Always link up here.
Yeah, man, straight.
Link up on yourself.
Enough respect.
So how we're enjoying the ice cream, my friend. I like how you do it. I like how you deal with the top of it a while ago.
It's nice, but it had melt.
People, the breeze of our week. Nothing like a Devon House ice cream, my friend.
This is crunchy munchy.
Yeah, man. And I can see that you're crunching and munching. You do it, man. I know, man. It's going already.
What did I see the police can't pass? You just have to shut it.
It come like you want a policeman in that place. Wait. You can't shut it?
Shut it, man.
Shut it though.
Shut On the view, man, nice. Imagine this is downtown, mate.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Look at the mountains over there, so the view is so nice.
It is. It's
The
beautiful.
birds is just relaxing.
Toodaloo.
We're downtown. Wow, look at that. This is the beer chicken, beer fried chicken, mint roti, and just raw veg. And this is the blue rice, pork with ackee and pasta. We are tasting and I couldn't know Waa Gwaan. No all about ackee. Right, you get it all I mean, but one.
It's me.
See it there?
After me, I got
One piece more ackee.
one. There's the apple.
So we're going to taste it now. Bless and sanctify, Father God, consecrate. Rice melon, nice. Okay, so pasta. It tastes good. Little bit too sweet for my liking, but I'm too cooked. The pork now. Flavorful. The ackee tastes good. The ackee is my favorite. And the blue rice, you can see it look like if a scallion or mixed veg them put in it.
Well seasoned.
Well seasoned. Alright, I well want to taste the beer chicken to see if it tastes like beer upon the fish roux. What make it different from regular fried chicken? It's moist, not dry. It does taste a bit different. Not like regular fried chicken for real. Flavor is there. The mint roti now. It tastes minty like that. Buy from earlier this afternoon, so that affect the taste. Fried chicken is bad.
Rice, use it for me.
Love the rice. Now eat the vegetables stuff. Now box from there. The rice cook good. If a rice cook, I must cook like the rice there. Get more rice. A little bit more. It tastes like Sasha, but
That's why it's still the baby.
yes.